Follow traffic rules. Don't overspeed. Wear a seatbelt. Wear a mask.
जैसे आपने देखा कि जो तेज़ गति से जितना अभी तक भारत ने किया है, ये तो शुरुआत है वैसे, फिर भी ये बहुत नोटेबल है। इतने बड़े देश में 3,500 के लगभग या उससे भी ज़्यादा साइट्स पे हम वैक्सीनेशन दे रहे हैं, बड़े सुचारू तरीके से दे रहे हैं। थोड़ी थोड़ी ग्लिचेस इधर उधर हैं, लेकिन फिर भी कुल मिला के अगर देखा जाए तो बहुत तेज़ गति से वैक्सीनेशन प्रोग्राम शुरू हुआ है। तो आज इस बात का हम संतोष भी करते हैं, तीसरा दिन है आज, कि ये जो काम शुरू हुआ है ये जम के तरीके से, रोबस्ट तरीके से हो रहा है। This program has seen the very initial phase as a smooth rollout and an extensive coverage if you look at the entire big picture. The second issue which has emerged very strongly is that the concerns about adverse effects, serious problems, as of now seem to be unfounded, negligible, insignificant, and the data shows that we are in a situation of lot of comfort. And we would like to reassure you with data that you have seen that these two vaccines are safe, they do not excite undue reactogenicity, and are being accepted increasingly. We may also point out to you that the proportion of AFI that you saw, and I was looking at some of the papers on Pfizer, Moderna vaccines, serious adverse event typically 0.6% रिपोर्ट किए हैं, 0.6%। और अगर आपने अभी देखा तो 0.18 तो सारा AFI है, और उसमें सीरियस वाला तो ना के ही बराबर है। ये भी आपने देखा, वो 0.002, जिसके लिए अस्पताल जाना पड़ता है। तो कोई डाउट नहीं है कि जिन प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे ये दो वैक्सीन बने हैं, I think that has become very clear to me as well, in particular when you look back now, that these two platforms produce vaccines that are highly immunogenic, both for antibodies and T-cell, but also very safe. This looks like, to us, the earliest experience. Things can change, but this is a very important and a reassuring stage at which, reassuring situation where we are, and I think this should dispel a lot of anxiety, which is natural, Vaccines are being given to adults. It's usually children. They have different diseases. The vaccines have been, developed in a certain different way for much longer period of time, etc., etc. So having adults being vaccinated, 2 made in India vaccines, negligible, उससे भी कोई नीचे कोई टर्म हो तो वही इस्तेमाल करनी चाहिए, side effects and serious side effects practically nil.